Hey guys, today on IPC, I'm gonna be sharing with you my 2 weeks results, and it's gonna be a very sincere review on Intelligence Prime Capitals. Today clocks 14 days since I jumped on IPC. Actually, this project had been presented to me 2 months back, but I had to do my due diligence. I knew I took some time to jump on board. It is always the case with investment. It is always good to do your own due diligence. But to be frank with you, I regretted for not joining the project 2 months back when it was first presented to me. So, like we all know, they're a forex trading platform. You deposit your money, and your money is seated on your MT4 wallet, and then they trade the forex market Monday through Fridays and Saturdays. Your profit are sent to your USDT wallet from where you can withdraw or you can reinvest this money sitting on your USDT wallet. And a few things I have observed. Number one is their transparency when it comes to funds withdrawals or funds transactions in the platform. Funds are transparently transferred. Withdrawals, I have done a couple of them. All of my withdrawals I have gotten under 40 minutes. Now, two of them I got under 2 minutes. Could you imagine? Can you imagine that? The last one I got under 35 minutes, and that is quite impressive. Okay. So I am very pleased with their funds transparency, the transactions, and the time that it normally takes, which is quite impressive. I have experienced also some negative aspect also. It is not all positive. Yes, on Saturdays, the systems are overloaded because there are tons and a lot of people withdrawing. And to get that OTP, one time OTP verification code through your email, you will have to repeat the withdrawal process. I think 2 to 3 times, multiple times to be able to get that code. But that is justifiable considering the fact that on Saturdays are rush hours, payday, a lot of people are withdrawing, so it tends to make the system to be a bit slower. So another problem I have observed is their support system. If you want to chat them on their live chat, I think it's pretty slow. The response rate is pretty slow, but they recently worked on that, and now you can even contact them on Telegram, which is quite impressive. Apart from that, I still have my own little doubt. I am still a little skeptical about their regulations, their regulatory bodies, which they say they have in Canada, Australia, USA. We know how these things work, guys. I have been investing in things like this for a long time, so I know how they work. Those things can just be paperwork. So that is why I think you should do your due diligence before you invest into projects like this, because there is high possibility that they could go down anytime. But that's not what I want. Okay, I want them to be here for as long as they can. Okay, so for a very long time, because it is really, really profitable trading with them. But from my experience, projects like this tend to last longer than projects you think are 100% legit, okay? Because a couple of you out there are saying IPC is a scam and stuff like this. They are gonna scam out. But from my experience, projects like this tend to last even more longer than those projects we think they are full regulated, they are 100% safe and guaranteed. Again, this is not financial advice, but for me, if I see project like this and I think I like it, then I just want to jump in it as fast as I can and then break even, take out my main investment out and then start playing with house money. For as long as the project is ongoing, if I don't get in quicker, then I might just decide not to go in because it must have become congested. Okay, so if you're asking me, is it the right time to jump on IPC? Yes, they are just starting, and it's just a new project started in 2021 and stuff like that. So it is not that congested. It is time to jump in, but you want to do your due diligence. Investment can be risky, okay? So these are the things I have observed with them, and I think it's not bad enough. So if you ask me, where am I giving them? What rate can I give them out of 10? I will be giving IPC for now. I will be giving IPC a 6.9. Okay, 6.9 out of 10. So except they work on their response system and stuffs like that, and also little issues concerning their staffs and things like that, and then I'll give them 10. But my investment has been doing so well, guys. You can see I started 14 days ago with 500 bucks, and with this $500, it's making me like $7 daily. So for 5 days, $35. That $35 will be transferred to this USDT wallet from where I can withdraw or I can reinvest. When you take a look at their subscriptions right here, you can see that they support three different types of bot. Brilliant bot, which costs 39.90 cent with your initial minimum of $100. So you need a minimum of $139.90 to start this Brilliant bot. It gives you 30% ROI monthly. Now the Genius bot, which I recommend, you need to buy this robot for $99.90 with your minimum of $100 trading funds. So you will need 199.90 cents to start. It gives you 45% ROI monthly. And then the last small bot is a smart bot, which it costs 19.90 cents. You need a minimum of $100, which will be your trading funds. And then this is going to be a total of $119.90. It's gonna be giving you 15% monthly. So I went in with a Genius bot. So if you take a look at this, today being Wednesday, so it has been trading for 3 days already this week. So that's why you see $22 added here. The one you see on my wallet right here has to do with some little management bonuses. So it's not quite that bad, guys. For me, it has been working. I haven't experienced any glitches whatsoever, no other difficulties apart from the ones I told you of. Again, remember that these trading funds, you can withdraw it, but that's where I have some other doubt, some other problems with, because I have seen a couple of my downlines are trying to withdraw this money. They face some limitations because you must be in the platform for about 2 to 3 months to be able to fully withdraw these monies and stuffs like that. So there are some limitations which I am still trying to get some clarifications on. So what do you expect actually? So if you fancy results like this and you think it's not late for you to jump in, well, the platform, when you go in with a Genius bot, you make a profit of up to 45% monthly. No monthly charges or fees, no crazy or tedious setups. It's required from your part, suitable for newbies and novice to make money from these automated platform. Now profits are withdrawn every week on Saturdays and Sundays. Profits are processed within 24 hours. That's what it says, but I've always gotten mine under 40 minutes. Referring or recruiting is not mandatory, okay? Depending on where you want to come in with, after you must have activated your robot and this is the money you are investing for trading, this will be your weekly earnings. So you just want to take a screenshot to see how much you'll be making weekly. I went in with $500, so weekly I should be making anywhere $35 to $40 weekly, fully automated without me having to do anything. So that is IPC. That is my brief overview. That is my opinion for being on it on this 1 week. I think it hasn't been bad. It is good for me, but I don't know about you. You want to do your own due diligence before jumping on board. So if you decide to join IPC today, there is a link in the description and the top comment of this video. You're going to land on this page. It walks you through step-by-step process to sign up this thing, and it will start running the next day and you'll start making money. So don't forget to also watch this video. I also leave my Telegram group link in the description and the top comment. If you want to hit me up to give you a hand, then you are more than welcome. Thank you so much. Let's keep winning. 2022 just began and we are already starting it strong with IPC.